Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a colorful text in Capcut. So here I've already added a new project in my Capcut, and then what you need to do next is you can just click on a text and type in the text that you want to add into this video or the photo. I'm going to enter the text. Oops. Good morning. Okay, so here is the tag. You can make it big like this, and then you can just go back and click on the check icon. And what you need to do next is you need to add a keyframe. Just click on this and then click on style again and choose a different color. Okay, this one, and then click check and then slide into the right, and then click on style again and choose the other colors like this and check again and do the exact same steps like this. Choose another color, swipe again or slide again and click on style again and choose another color and slide again, choose another color. Okay, so let's play the text or the photo like this. So the color will be changing, or it will become colorful like this. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.